I have just received this gift from Haruharu Wonder. So let's unbox it together. So let's open this. Tara! Isto देखिएको छ यस्तो छ this is a little card, right? The gift is inside here. First मा चाहिँ I have this makeup melting cleansing balm. I'm so excited to try this. Ani second ma I have this black rice triple AHA gentle cleansing gel. Lastly, I have this black rice hyaluronic toner. I think I am even more excited to try this one. I'm so excited to try this product. So in my next video, I'm going to review this product and I'm so excited.